ኢትዮጵያኖች በጣም የምንታወቅበት አንደኛውና ዊርድ የሆነው ነገር ጥሬ ስጋ ትበላላችሁ። ፈረንጆች ጥሬ ስጋ እየበላን ብናሳያቸው ሪያክሽናቸው ምን ይሆናል? Would you eat it?
Never. ድል ብሰጥህ ትጨማለቃለህ?
Oh, hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Can I ask you one question? Do you know what this is? ፍጥነቷ Flash. Do you know what this is?
What's that? Is that a beef?
That's raw beef.
Raw meat?
We eat it for holidays.
Me too, I like beef. Especially bulalo. You know what is bulalo?
No.
Bulalo is beef. Beef broth.
ምን አገባን?
In Ethiopia, you eat raw meat. When you eat raw meat, is it dangerous?
It can be. Would you eat it if I give it to you?
No.
It looks good.
It looks good, but not for me.
Do you know what this is?
Is that pork?
Nope. It is beef.
What kind of meat?
We eat raw meat in Ethiopia. Do you know that?
Raw meat? You're eating raw meat, huh? What kind of raw meat?
Beef.
Oh, beef.
What?
We eat it raw. Raw, brother.
Why?
I don't know.
Yes, no, ሄደው ራስሽ ሂጂ.
Can you say
Huh?
a-toot? Can you say a-toot?
What does it mean?
Just say it, dude. Weirdo. Just say it, dude.
Nah.
Just say it.
Nah. You say ወፍራም ነው. What the What?
I can't.
What? It's food. It's meat. Raw meat. እንደዚህ ክሪንጅ ሆኜ አላውቅም። ሆዴ ነው ክሪንጅ ያደረገው።
Ethiopia, where? Africa?
East Africa. Do you know this thing?
Oh!
አይዞሽ ገለቴ አይዞሽ።
ጃምፕ ስኬር ቪዲዮ ካሁን በኋላ በቃ ጥሬ ስጋ ነው ይዤ ነው።
Hey!
Wow.
ምን እየሆንክ ነው?
Do you know what this is?
What is this? Tell me.
It's a holiday dish in Ethiopia. It's raw meat.
Is it delicious?
Yeah, it is. Would you eat it if I give it to you?
Yes, I would.
Raw meat, would you?
Yes, why not? Why not?
Okay, what's your address? I will send it to you.
Delicious.
This is skincare.
Skincare, I know. This is raw beef.
Ay.
እሱ ካንቺ ያምራል እኮ።
ዝም ብለሽ ነው እምብር
What is that means, boy?
Raw beef.
Oh,
Oh,
how did you do that, bro?
it's magic.
Just do it again, What the Oh my goodness. How did you do that,
What?
bro?
That's not the point. The point is we are eating raw meat in Ethiopia.
Oh, you're like professional.
What? Eating raw beef is professional?
I don't know, bro. Sorry.
ትጠጣለን ትጠጣላ
Do you know what this is?
That's kind of meat, but I don't know what meat that is.
We eat raw meat in Ethiopia. Do you know that?
No.
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, it is.
Damn. Can I give you that, like, increase your height too?
Height. I
Height.
don't know about that.
Oh, damn. I would eat that if you give me height, you know.
Would you eat it?
Yeah, I will try it.
Come back, potato. Come back. You wanna see raw meat? Potato. Potato? የት ሄድክ potato? See? Raw meat. Do you like it?
ድንች ፊት
We're not vegan.
Okay, would you eat it raw?
No.
Depends.
ቆሌያቸው ግፍፍ የሚለው ሲያዩት።
Where you from?
ኢትዮጵያ
Ethiopia. What country is that? Ethiopia.
It's Ethiopia.
Do you know Philippines?
Yeah, I know it. I have been there by the way.
Did you come here?
Yeah,
What did you do?
I visit the capital city. I eat the food.
ስንቱ ቦጥራቃ ነው የምታሰማኝ?
Do you know Ethiopia? You?
What? No, I'm not.
Ethiopia?
I'm not very familiar in Ethiopia. Maripong ka mo. I'm not very familiar in Ethiopia.
Tell them. Don't scream. Yeah.
Listen.
Let me teach you about my country, okay?
Okay.
In Ethiopia, for holidays, we eat guess.
For Holy Week, we don't eat pork.
We don't eat pork too, but we eat something that's special, you know? Guess.
Spaghetti.
This one. Leave it. And leave it. Ethiopians eat raw meat. Would you, if I give it to you? It's delicious, by the way.
Is it nice to eat?
Yeah, it is nice. It's just raw, you know? It's natural.
It's
Stop. Stop. Don't disrespect my culture, okay?
I'm sorry.
Salamine. Do you know what this is?
What is this?
This is raw meat.
You say what?
Raw meat. We eat it for holidays.
زغني زغني. Good.
Would you eat it?
ايوه
ሀበሻ ናቸው እንዴ እነኚህ ሰዎች?
Ethiopia. Wow.
It's for you, for your beauty. ምን የምትይው ምንድን ነው? ኡጋንዳ።
Ethiopia.
What's up? I think የኢትዮጵያ ሴቶች ለምን ቆንጆ እንደሚባሉ ገባኝ። አሁን it has nothing to do with the Uganda women.
Brother to Ethiopia. Come to shit. Okay.
Okay.
Delicious.
Delicious. Would you eat it? Raw meat?
Romy, I'm eat couscous, tagine, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Come to Morocco. I'm pay you the airplane to come to Morocco. I'm you stay at my home. I'm prepare for you couscous, tagine, the food of the country.
Why?
Because Ethiopia, the Africa is my brother.
You are from Kenya.
Somalia.
What are you doing in Kenya?
I was born here.
But you are Somalian.
Yeah.
Oh, you don't look Somalian, to be honest.
I don't look Somalian, huh?
Yeah, you don't have big forehead. You hungry, buddy?
What the hell?
What the hell?
Baba Yatu.
Baba Yatu?
Yeah. What's that?
It's raw meat.
Oh.
Do you wanna eat?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your address? I will send it to you.
Baba Yatu.
Baba Yatu fit.
Hey brother,
What's up, man? You good?
how are you?
I'm good. Do you know ጥሬ ስጋ?
What?
Raw meat, you know, like this one.
يا من حوالي شويت. Where is it? حرام عليك يا اسطى.
Wait, bro. Hi.
Hi.
Wait, don't.
Go.
Galing.
Very good.
Ethiopia, where the country?
East Africa.
In Africa.
In Ethiopia, we eat raw meat. Do you know that?
Yeah, Rome. What do bro?
We eat raw meat for holidays.
Oh,
Yeah.
delicious.
Delicious.
Look, delicious.
Would you eat it?
Yeah, I eat beef too.
At least he likes it.
Go to sleep.
You go to sleep.
Ethiopia, my brother from Ethiopia.
Kenya, what's up, man?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm very good, man. Do you know ጥሬ ስጋ?
What?
Do you know ጥሬ ስጋ?
Trey Siga. Who is that or what is that?
This.
Wow, 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 wow. Which animal is this?
It's ox, beef.
Wow, wow. Hey, but you look like that guy. You look like that guy.
What guy?
You look like the guy in that video that you've just shown me.
The guy, the black one.
Yeah, no, there is this guy that have a red kitamba there. This.
He is white. Like,
No, the last guy.
oh, what do you think about ጥሬ ስጋ? It's raw meat.
What is it, by the way? I didn't understand you.
It is a food we eat raw for holiday, you know.
Oh, a raw meat.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there are some communities in Kenya that drink the raw blood, but we eat raw. We eat raw kidney or what? Raw kidney. We eat raw kidney.
Kidney.
No, not kidney. Do you know
Liver.
liver? We eat raw liver, not raw kidney.
We eat it here too. Yeah. So it's like, it's not a tribe thing. It is a tradition as a whole Ethiopia for holidays. Like majority of people like to eat raw meat. It's not like a tribe thing, you know.
And nutritious.
I mean, it's meat. It's just raw meat. It has protein.
That's cool. Invite me one day, maybe.
Would you eat it?
I will hide and cook it, then eat. I saw Speed was there also.
Mm-hmm.
He came from Kenya. I think from Kenya, then he went to Ethiopia.
Let me show you Addis Ababa.
Show me, let me see.
Here.
This is Addis Ababa.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks like an European town.
What are you doing here?
Huh?
What are you doing here?
I'm doing nothing, G. Do you know this?
I love that.
Shit, bro, are you a streamer, bro? You a streamer?
Yeah.
Bro, show me your edits, bro. Gee, look at this edit.
Do you know what this is, man?
No.
It's raw meat.
Gone.
We eat raw meat for holidays.
Oh.
Yeah.
You wanna see my edit, bro?
Yeah.
Hoy, hoy,